So guys, I just came across a new coffee which is trending these days. It's known as Protien coffee, and I was really curious to try it out. So I just ordered it from a site known as Ripped Up Nutrition, as it is written run. The full form is Ripped Up Nutrition, and it looks very promising. Like it has a 10 gram of protein. And I just thought that why just drink a regular coffee when you can complete your protein intake through it. So I will be trying this one out, and let's see how this product comes up to be. So here are the nutrition facts, and the flavor I just ordered is like one is a caramel and the other one is hazelnut. I will be unboxing the hazelnut one, as I will be just trying it first. As the ingredients are written, it has a whey protein concentrate, premium coffee, caffeine, skimmed milk powder, artificial sweetener. It's written 65 mg of caffeine, 10 gram of protein. So let's unbox it. So I just opened it, and it's the box. Here we go. Here's the scoop, the transparent one in here, and here's the coffee. As you can see. Thank you. Peace out.